guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 23. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I'm gonna set you guys up over here. So these couple of vlogs are going to be kind of confusing. Say hi to my pimple right here. Anyways, these couple of vlogs are going to be kind of confusing because I usually film and then I post the next day. I am going to be making, or not making, but helping to make tamales today. So I'm putting my hair up, I wash my face, I brush my teeth. Party people, it is almost done. We've made the tamales de dulce, we're done with this. Now everything is just cooking. I think the tamales are in here and the birria is in here, so that's cooking, and then that is it. Just gotta wait like a couple hours to eat the tamales and the birria, which I am already hungry, and I only had oatmeal in the morning and it is like already 3 o'clock or 4. It's about to be 4 and I'm already hungry, but I'm just gonna take a shower, relax, as in I haven't relaxed enough. But yeah, I'm really not gonna like go all out. I might just do maybe a little bit of my makeup, just a little bit, just to look at least decent, and I'm just gonna wear pajamas, so that kind of makes sense. So I'm not really going to go all out, do my hair. I'm just gonna wear sweats, a long sleeve. Yeah, so cool. So I am going to end the vlog here. I am sorry that I didn't have enough video footage for you guys, but again, I am just spending time with my family, so I just wanted to post a quick video. It still counts, right? For the Vlogmas. Anyways, I hope you guys make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with my videos, and I'll catch up with you guys in the next vlog.